Hello everyone, welcome to the UltFone channel. If your iPhone suddenly has a green screen phenomenon, it may be a problem with the iOS system. This video will help you get rid of this trouble. We will share 5 simple methods without a computer to teach you how to fix the iPhone green screen problem. Are you ready? Let's go. Method 1. Force restart. The first thing we have to try is force restart. Specific steps. Quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, and then hold down the power button until the Apple logo appears. This method is very simple and suitable for users who have just appeared green screen or occasional stuck screen. Method 2. Adjust display setting. If the display has a green tint, we can try to adjust some settings to fix it. The steps are as follows. 1. Open settings. 2. Find display and brightness. Increase the screen brightness and turn on true tone. This method is suitable for those who have a green screen when the brightness is too high or too low. Method 3. Reset all settings. If adjusting the display does not work, you can try reset all settings. 1. Open settings. 2. Select general and click transfer or reset iPhone. 3. Click reset and then select reset all settings. Confirm your choice and wait for the restoration to complete. Method 4. Restore iPhone 16 with another device. If your iPhone 16 has a green screen and there are other Apple devices around you with systems above iOS 18, you can try using the newly launched wireless flashing function to fix the green screen problem. How to do it? You just need to put your iPhone 16 into recovery mode and place another device next to it, and it will automatically pop up a recovery pop-up window to confirm your choice. Note, this method may cause data loss. If you don't want to lose data, I recommend using UltFone iOS System Repair to repair it. Method 5. Repair using UltFone iOS System Repair. UltFone iOS System Repair is an iOS system repair tool that can help you enter recovery mode and restore iPhone with one click, and can help you upgrade or downgrade the iOS system. 1. Connect your phone to your computer. 2. Put your phone into recovery mode. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button, and then hold the power button until you see the Connect to iTunes or computer icon on the screen. 3. Open UltFone. Click the Start Repair option. You will see Standard Repair and Deep Repair. We choose Standard Repair because it can retain data. Then UltFone will prompt you to download the corresponding firmware. Click Download and wait patiently for this process. The download speed depends on your network. After the download is complete, click Start Standard Repair. Then the software will help you repair iPhone system problems, including green screen, black screen, stuck on the Apple logo, etc. After waiting for the repair to be completed, your phone will return to normal and very smooth. Tips. Hradware repair tips. This method is suitable for users who still can't work after trying other solutions. Some users report that gently placing 2 small magnets on both sides of the screen can temporarily alleviate the green screen phenomenon. If all the above solutions cannot solve the green screen problem, it may be a hardware problem. At this time, it is recommended that you go to Apple's official website to make an appointment for repair. The above are 5 ways to fix the iPhone green screen problem. I hope it can help you. If the repair is successful, remember to tell us in the comment area, and you can also share it with friends who have the same problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.